Masuspect na karon. Ano na ulit doon, medyo compared last year. Kanaan ko karon, kaya marag mas nagkatao. Tanong na, malipayo ng mga tao. Para na po na, mapo ang atmosphere.
So, the celebration mayor, sa message ng tao and expectation.
Same, nagkanya pong tao mo ito ginahatagin pinaka-emphasis ang culture and security. Magkinanaway kita, magkinabangay kita, kay survive ta sa ingana nga pamaagi. Kaya tinabangay kita. So, timan na lang nila ang culture and security. Kaya dagang tao sa dalan di ka ibaw ba? So, magpinantaya, tinabangay kita.
Mayor, how are we going to celebrate Kadayawan amidst challenges of the city government, especially the leadership? How are we going to celebrate amidst the challenges?
Wala may problema. Kaya naman ko rin as acting mayor. So, the previous years, kung saan natin ginadalang Kadayawan, nga na nagyapon with the improvements. So, status quo lang magyapon.
Mayor, and sorry, but I have to ask, what is your reaction on the Senate archive, the articles of impeachment against VP Sara? What's your reaction?
Honestly, simula pa lang kasi talaga, it's purely political. That's why, yung ano ko lang talaga, hindi ko lang maintindihan bakit hindi nila binibigyan ng respeto talaga yung en banc decision ng Supreme Court. That's really a heavy, statement coming from the judiciary. Actually, that's lagi ko inuulit, it's an objective view of the situation because they are there to interpret the law. However, ito namang mga politicians, they are elected officials and they represent the people or whatever, but they're elected. So meaning they're politicians, their decisions are very subjective. Okay? So, ngayon, may decision yung Korte Suprema and yet they still want to push the issue. So, para lang sa akin kasi, kailangan natin respetuhin talaga yung Supreme Court because there are three separate branches of government. These are co-equal branches. So, bakit marami pa tayong pinag-uusapan? They are the ones who interpret the law. They already made the decision. Ibig sabihin nun, that should be final. Okay? So, sige na lang. In the name of democracy, sige. Nakarating sa Senate, ipapalik na naman. I suppose yung Congress mag-empire na naman yan ulit. Pero, I'm going to say what I said before, and from the beginning, it's a political scheme. It's a smear campaign against the Vice President.
Mayor, the House opposition lawmakers are still condemning the decision of the Senate. What can you tell them? Or what's
No, it's okay. It's a democracy. So yeah, they can say whatever they want. If you don't have the numbers, you can't have the cake. You can have the prize. Okay? So that's it. So you can say whatever you want.
Sir, in his interview in India, sir, the president said he has nothing to do with the impeachment. And he doesn't, hindi siya makikialam.
I don't really think it matters what he says because nothing that comes out of his mouth is, worth listening to. I don't know, I heavily criticize the president, so been like that for since the start of his term. But actually, but I don't want to even look into what he's saying because nothing really good comes out of his mouth. Okay, so mularga na po ko soon kaya para tanaw na po ako kumahan. Any other person that would be in detention would be depressed and you would have trouble eating, di ba? Yung kaganahan ko, you would lose your appetite. So mo ako makita saya, but cognitively it's okay, but he's not a young person, he's old, di ba? Ano ba? So yung lawas is okay, but pero payat na gid siya. Payat na gid siya. Kay tanaw na ko, wa siya makakaon og tarong itong walay gana. Kung nakasabalay, you're with family and friends, makakaon man ka, so wala na problema na yun. Pero kung ikaw, isang kinsa sa tua, like any other ordinary person, ibutan kag detention center, even without a clear, like a clear case against you, without due process, how would you feel? Sumaon ang sa may tabukso sa katao. It's very unjust yun ang dinabuhat sa iya karon. So, sige lang, siya may mayor nato gyapon. Okay, siya ay mayor nato, acting mayor ko, and he's been mayor here for several years already. Let's just follow his direction. Kaniadto makansod karon. Mauna ang dabawin niyo. Salamat kayo.
Mayor naman yung team.
So, sekreto
Curious.
So, I will take this opportunity para i-promote na ko ang doktor nga si Juan Baker, medical aesthetics. So, siya ang Juan. Pero, Juan, it's disiplina gina sa Juan yun. What you put in your mouth? Pagkaon nila. Gym, basketball. Salamat kayo ha. Happy Kadayawan.
Kadayawan.